Do you guys do this seriously? No way! Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll show you how to cleanse well your face. Shall we start?
Rub your face strongly until all the makeup residue is wiped it off with a pad. Squeeze a cleansing foam and put it right on your face. Rub it so that there is no residue on your face. Scrub with a towel so that there is no moisture on your face.
Do you guys do this seriously? No way! 안 돼! You're destroying your skin! So let's say if you guys had some breakout, usually people think, is this because of the sunscreen I changed recently? Is this because maybe the foundation I started to use it? But usually if I check it out carefully, it's because of the cleansing. If you don't cleanse well, it has some residue, so that clogs the pores and that makes you break out. Let's put it this way. So you cleanse like twice a day. So morning and the nighttime. In a month, 30 days, it's gonna be 60 times of the cleansing. So if you just cleanse this much, and then if you making your skin barrier destroyed for 60 times a month, OMG, that's gonna be disaster. Cleansing is that much important. Then how can I cleanse well my face without destroying my skin barrier? If you guys watch this video until the end, you will master how to cleanse well. Oily, dry, combo, sensitive skin, all skin included. So cleansing 101, let's get it! Boop, 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 boop.
I will use cleansing oil. Why is it an oil cleanser? There are so many different types of cleansers such as foam, tissue, water, milk, balm, gel, oil, and you name it. I'm using oil because it's easiest to deep cleanse. Isn't cleansing oil only used to remove makeup? No! I wash my face with oil even when I only apply sunscreen. Physical sunscreen contains zinc oxide. This sits atop the skin and physically blocks the rays. But this goes into pores and doesn't race with cleansing water, tissues, or foam. Can I use cleansing oil in all skin types? Of course. Oily skin as well? Yes. Basically, you have oil that's hardened into pores and clogging in it. You can use oil to gently dissolve and remove some of it. Lastly, double cleansing is not a must. Double cleansing means you do the cleansing oil and you do cleanse with a cleansing foam again, so twice. You probably need this whenever cleansing oil wasn't good enough, which is a long time ago. But nowadays, if, just like me, dry and sensitive skin, do the double cleanse, my skin barrier become more destroyed and my skin is gonna be more weaker. However, if it's a summer and if you feel too oily, you can just go ahead. But I'm saying it's not for everybody. Before cleansing, don't forget to wash your hands thoroughly. And we'll start with the dry hands and face. Pump cleansing oil into your palm at least 3 times. If you have a little bigger face or a gentleman, pump 4 to 5 times. If the amount is small, you can't cleanse well, and when you rub it on your face, it turns red. And we will use lukewarm water. Just as oil stains can be easily erased in warm water, endure until the water gets a little warm.
Come on in, come on in.
Rub the entire face thoroughly with your fingers. Do this for 30 to 40 seconds. Make sure to cleanse the side of your nose where the sebum is easily to build up, and don't forget your forehead. Usually people forget it often, but massage the chin with 4 fingers that build up a lot of sebum. Then add a little bit water and then do the same massage to the whole face. This is the most important thing in this cleansing part. It's recommended to wear a short sleeve shirt if possible because the oil flows down like a soapy water. Now finally, rinsing time. I'm going to rinse it with water 30 times. Remember, 30. The first 10 times, think about pouring water on it. Second 10 times is washing away the residue evenly around the nose, chin, and eyes. Last 10 times, think of it as putting water, just tapping it. If it doesn't work out, count to yourself. Be careful not to leave any residue on the cleansing oil.
Alrighty, that's it from me. Did you guys enjoy that? Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like me and then hit the subscribe button. Press notification bell so you don't miss out the next good video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! 안녕!